Good morning, y'all. Welcome back. Okay, so today I'm going to do a challenge. It's going to be a Monday through Friday challenge. Saturday, I'm going to weigh myself as well as Monday. I'm coming to you because I got an issue, got a dilemma, got a problem. I'm in my thinking capsule right now. And I was like, why not record? Tell them what I'm talking about. So I teeter-totter between 208 to 212, sometimes 13 pounds. And I don't look like I weigh that much, but I do. And my goal is to be 175. I don't know if I'm gonna look good looking like a 175 snack or a 185 snack. But regardless, I'm gonna try to get there and see what it look like. And if I don't like it, I will plump back up, baby. So that being said, I decided I'm gonna do a little challenge with myself, and I'm going to vlog it for everybody else to see. And if it works, it might work for you. If it works for me, but what works for me might don't work for you. So don't get mad. Anywho, so downstairs I have prepped all the food I'm going to eat for the week. Same food, Monday through Saturday. Don't change it, don't add it, don't tweak it, don't do nothing. Because I have used my carb manager to make sure that I have stayed into my calories. I am staying in my total carbs, my protein, and my fats. So I'm going to see, will the scale go back where it belongs and even go lower where I need it to be. Also, I'm going to add 3 days of workout. I usually work out 3 to 4 days. I do my mile on the treadmill. I try to do it under 15. At one time and point, I got good that I was doing a full mile and a half in 8 minutes. I don't know what happened. When you stop and you get relaxed, things go left and you fall out. That's what happened to me. Now I might take a mile and a half might take me 15 minutes. But I'm going to get back on track, so that's not a problem. So while I'm talking, I'm going to go ahead and go to my carb manager. If you know anything about carb manager, that is a good app to help you make sure you stay in your carbs. I love it. I still use I still use Fitness Pal, which is really good. But this one is just more easy and simple. I don't have to click clack on all this stuff. So anywho, I went ahead and I have put all the food in that I'm going to eat for the week, and I did it for tomorrow because tomorrow's going to start. I have a total of 16 net carbs that I'm able to use. I am 11 grams of fat. I'm sorry, 11 grams of fiber, 74 grams of fat, 61 grams of protein, and my goal is to stay under 1,300 calories. So with this meal plan I am at 1,001. I am 15 grams of net carbs. I'm 35 of total carbs. And I think I'm doing good. So I'm going to show y'all on here, and I'm just going to show you what's going on. Now, I do not eat breakfast. I drink my breakfast. I like my cold coffee. I make my cold coffee at home. If you go on Pinterest, you can find a cold coffee. Keto low carb is 1 gram, and it's delicious. You just have to make your own flavor, which I can show you if you're interested in it, if you see my coffee one day on here, because I'm going to show it, and I'm going to show all the foods that I do. But if you look at it, I'm not for sure if you can see the screen. Okay, focus. So for breakfast, I'm going to make me keto bread, or the 90-second bread. I'm going to have 2 strips of bacon. I'm going to have egg whites and 1 slice of pepper jack cheese, which you can clearly see it is 2 net carbs, and my calories is 424. Which is going to be my lunch. Breakfast, I'm going to do the keto drink, which I have already made it a couple times. It's my favorite. I love it. For dinner, I'm going to have 4 cups of spinach and some sesame salmon chicken. Sesame seasoned chicken. So you get it at Sam's Club, and it's like grilled chicken strips. You get 3 ounces of that, and my total net carbs for that is 5, and my calories is 130. So hopefully you can see it on there. Alright, so then I am able to get 2 snacks that I'm going to put in for myself. Roasted almonds, I love them. I can get a 4th cup, it's 3 grams, it's 170 calories. And I love bell pepper, just raw bell peppers with Laughing Cow cheese. And I like the creamy spicy pepper cheese with the bell peppers, really good. So a 1/2 cup of bell peppers with that 1 little triangle cheese. It actually comes up to 4 grams and it's 53 calories. That is not bad if you're counting calories. So hopefully you can see that on there as well. Alright. So I'm putting all that in there. I'm only going to eat that for the week. and that's it. And I'm gonna see if my weight goes down from Monday through Saturday, and I'm gonna weigh myself in results Saturday. I'm gonna come back and give you a talk on how I feel. During the week, I'm going to show you the meals that I'm eating, and I'm also gonna show you what's going on. Also, if you want to see, yeah, you see it? Alright, so that's what everything is coming up to. I'm also going to do a screenshot and put it on the screen right there so you can see it. So no worries. But for now, that is my goal. I'm going to do a challenge for a week to see will my weight go back to where it belongs. And then from there, do I need to implement just eating the same thing for a week? Change it up every week and eat the same thing for a week so that I am accountable for my weight and making sure I hit my goals, because my goal is to be 175. I don't know if I'm going to look good at 175, but I want to say in my mind that's my goal set. And if I get to 180 and I'm like, God damn, I'm going to stay at 180. Even though I know I can get 175, but I just want to know. So follow me downstairs in the kitchen. I got everything laid out. I'm going to show you how to make the 90-second bread. I am going to show you how my meal prep table is set up. And we're going to do the damn thing. Okay? We're going to do it. Or are we going to do it? We're going to do it. So follow me in the kitchen. Alright? Alright guys, so remember I was telling you about how I'm going to do this meal prep. So I got everything laid out, and I'm going to go from my right to my left to explain what I got going on for this 5-day challenge. So I have these chicken fajitas that I was telling you about that I'm going to weigh out. It's going to be 3 ounces per chicken fajita. And then if you just look at the back, the nutritionist part of this, it has carbohydrates 3, calories 110, protein 19, and fat 2. So we're really good. So this is what I'm going to use for my dinner. And I already have them pre-measured out in these containers, which is really cool. I measure them out, so it's 3 ounces. And all I have to do is just put them in the refrigerator and let them sit. I told you I was going to get my 3 cups of spinach, so there you go. Can't complain about that. But you clearly can see I have already measured these out. Now in these little cups right here, I set my bell pepper and cheese, which I have my bell pepper right here. I'm just going to cut them up. I'm going to show you that in a minute, so we're going to sit that over there. And then I have the cheese that I prefer to eat, which is the Laughing Cow cheese. Okay? This is the bun. It only has 30 calories in it, 1 total carbohydrate, and we're good to go. So that goes with this, and we're going to stack and pack them up in a minute. Now, I told you about my almonds. These are the little cups. I have 5 of them sitting out. I'm going to measure them, and this is the 4th cup, which is my measuring cup right here. And these are the almonds that I'm talking about that I truly like. Okay? Whoop whoop. And in these almonds, you take away the carbohydrate, which is 6, from the fiber, which is 4. When you come down to it, you only have 2 left. So make sure you read per measurement, it's 170 calories. So I'm going to go ahead and chop this up. And then I'm going to show you how I'm going to package everything and how this is going to go. Make sure you rinse off your bell pepper, and I like to cut them up in like chip size. One of these a day with my nuts and a baby cow cheese. A Laughing Cow cheese works for me. You can also go ahead if you want to just stick them in there because they got to go in the refrigerator anyway. So now we're going to use these for our sandwiches because we're going to cut them in half and stick them in here. Now I'm using this pepper jack cheese, 1 slice. It is 80 calories. It doesn't have any total carbohydrates or fiber in them. 6 total fat. And how much protein? 5 grams. So this is what we're going to use. You can use whatever type of cheese that you like, but I like this. I'm looking for a spicy. Now, remember we made our bread. This is how the bread came out. It's really nice. It's even. I let it sit for a while. It's really soft. It's fluffy. It's delicious. What you want to do with your bread is actually cut it in half because this is going to make 2 slices. So you just want to cut it down and you want to be very careful. You can lay it flat and go around it, or if you have another or a better technique, please do so. But make sure you are careful. Whew, that took work. When you get done, boo, voila, you can make grilled cheese, you can make deli sandwiches, you can do whatever you want. But guess what? This is just the bread. It's delicious, it's healthy, it's made out of almond flour. And if you're on low carb or keto, you can eat this bread. 90-second bread, and it looks just like a piece of bread from the grocery store. So after you cut it, we're going to assemble these sandwiches. Alright, so I'm going to show you how I make my eggs. You can make your eggs any way you like. It's really up to you. I just take some butter. Take whatever butter you like. If you're on keto and low carb, you know what kind of butter you need to use. If you're just doing this because you want to be healthy conscious, go ahead. Now, I do not use regular eggs. I have expressed that in so many ways, so many times, every time I cook. I just don't. I use egg whites. I get the whole big bundle at Sam's Club. You can even go to Costco's. I think it's cheaper than getting them at the store because the store is overcharging you for egg whites. I get 1 serving, which is 3 tablespoons. And I put that in my measuring cup. Make sure you use a liquid measuring cup because a liquid measuring cup is going to give you the perfect measuring for your egg whites. Now, I like to just keep it simple and plain. Some people like to go above and beyond when they season their food. This is my favorite. It has a Mexican flair and I love it, and this is all I put in there. I know some people are like, well, that's doing a little much. No, it's not. It's doing just enough. Alright, so the best way to get a soft folded egg, you do not do all this. You just gently push it back and forth. Gently push it back and forth. But you know, cook your egg however you like. You have cheese in here, or you can use cheese. I have mine. Fold it over. Okay, flip it. Alright, so remember our sandwich we were preparing over there? I'm just going to take my egg. I'm going to lay it on my bacon, and I'm going to take my bread with the cheese and lay it on top. I'm going to take this whole thing and slide it in the pan. And I'm going to let it get crispy on both sides. And then we're going to be done making our sandwich for our challenge. Alright? You have to press it as well. I can't press it. You have to press it a little bit on the side. That's cheese. And just spray a little bit on the other side. That side. And you just flip it over. Like so. Press it down a little bit. And then you watch just like bread. It's delicious. Now I'm going to make this. Alright guys, so we're done meal prepping. I have the containers that I'm going to put my breakfast sandwiches in. I leave this empty right here because I like to put like hot sauce and dip my sandwiches. But I'm about to show you the finished product of the sandwich. So this is the keto 90-second bread that we use. We did an egg white, some pepper jack cheese, and 2 pieces of bacon. Which is 1 because I did not feel like cooking no more bacon. I take it out. After I had grilled it, you can put it on a griddle or whatever you want to do. And you can cut it however you want to cut it. And for me, I like to cut it diagonal because it makes my mind think I got a bigger sandwich. And at the end of the day, this is what your sandwich looks like. Okay? Stop where? Who, McDonald's? I don't think so. This is the sandwich. So all I'm going to do is just finish cutting up these sandwiches, and I'm going to lay them in here like so. Just lay them in there like that. And then I'm going to put the lid on top. And all you have to do in the morning is just rewarm these back up. Baby, they're ready to go. So, pal, let's get to busting these sandwiches down. And once again, I did 5 of them, and here are the golden sandwiches after they've been grilled with some more beautiful butter. All right, so let's bust these sandwiches out. Alright guys, that is what it is. So when we get done and everything is said and done, we're going to do this nice little challenge. I have everything pre-packaged. I have my breakfast, I have my snack 1, I have my snack 2, and I have my dinner with my spinach, and it's 1,000 calories. After we eat all this, it is done, it's over. On top of that, I'm able to drink green tea, black coffee, Crystal Light, and plenty of water. So I will check back in with y'all Wednesday, tell you how I'm doing, what the scale is looking like, and all that good stuff. Until then, see my challenge, like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and if you're interested in any of these challenges I'm going to start doing with my weight loss and just living a better lifestyle, make sure you become a friend of Indulge with Dimples. Till next time, alright?